Limonia acidissima. What a mouthful. Here's an easier way to remember this. Wood apple or elephant apple. This is what it looks like when you crack it open. The darker the color, the better the fruit. Now this one is a pretty nice one. And with this, we are going to make a wood apple juice or wood apple drink. Jam is also made from this, pickles and chutneys. So very interesting. Acidic flavor similar to tamarind. We start by pureeing and getting the pulp out of this wood apple just as you would dissolve tamarind. Let's begin. To this bowl I have 1.5 cups of water. The other ingredients are sugar, and you will need quite a bit of it, coconut milk, and salt to taste. Now, to get the health benefits from this wood apple, it is simply dissolved with water without, of course, the addition of sugar. But in this drink, sugar is very much required, as this can be quite sour. So we are going to dissolve this like this. So we take this. See that amount of flesh in the shell. Let's see that pulp. We'll continue doing this, and we'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Some people put it in a blender, but with the blender you'll blend in the seeds. And okay, so we'll keep this aside, and we'll add some water to that. So you can see the thick part here and the watery part. I'm going to take some of this water and add it to this, just like how you would do coconut milk and coconut cream, right? Same principle really. It's very sour. Now we're gonna add this back to there. Now fruits will vary. Some will be sweeter, some will be more sour. So to tell you an exact measurement of sugar would be a little unrealistic. Let's get this through here again. You can see it's a lot cleaner now because the pulp has gone through. Okay, so let's add in half of the salt here. So that's about half a teaspoon. So salt also helps to bring out the flavor, right? Let's taste. Maybe we'll put the rest of it in. And now the sugar. So I have a tablespoon and a half of white sugar. Adding half of that in. Wash the teaspoon. Wow. The salt just elevates the flavor, and now with the sugar, amazing, really amazing. So depending on like the sweetness or the tartness of the wood apple, you adjust your salt and your sugar accordingly, and with the coconut milk. So this is not too runny because of the amount of water we added, but I'm going to also use half the coconut milk first. Okay, so that's a cup. There you go, half, and mix it in. It doesn't take away any of that flavor, but maybe gives it a slight coconut taste, very slight. Okay, so just to do something different, I'm going to put some of this wood apple right in here, just for a little difference in presentation. And here is my little scoop. Let's take a closer look. I've just added a little vanilla ice cream. Ice cream in there. And here we have it. Beautiful wood apple. Let's get a closer look. I've presented this in the wood apple shell itself. Wood apple drink. Here served with some vanilla ice cream. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to Majid's Kitchen.